In 2025, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a present-day reality transforming the way we live, work, and interact. But as AI continues to evolve, certain jobs are more at risk than others. Have you ever wondered if your job might be replaced by a robot or an AI system smarter than you? Today, we're diving into the 5 roles that are most likely to disappear in the next decade and what you can do to stay ahead. So let's dive in. 1. Fast food workers. Imagine walking into your favorite burger joint, and instead of a smiling cashier or line cook, a robot is taking your order and flipping your burger. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. The fast food industry is undergoing a complete operational transformation thanks to AI and robotics. Automated cooking systems, like the Bionic Cook fast food machine, can prepare meals with exact precision, ensuring every order meets consistent quality standards without human error. AI-powered kiosks and touchless ordering systems let customers customize meals quickly, reducing lines and the need for front-counter staff. Drive-through AI solutions can handle multiple orders simultaneously, optimize delivery routes, and even predict peak demand periods to allocate resources efficiently. On the back end, AI manages inventory in real time, alerting staff to low stock, predicting supply needs, and even automatically generating orders from suppliers. Delivery robots and autonomous systems are already being deployed in major cities, enabling contactless delivery while reducing dependence on delivery staff. These technologies don't just improve efficiency, they significantly cut labor costs. Positions such as cashiers, line cooks, and servers are expected to decline sharply over the next decade. But there's a silver lining. Workers who pivot to roles like AI oversight, robotic maintenance, quality control, and customer engagement will remain in demand. Understanding the software and hardware behind these AI systems can give employees a competitive edge. Workers who combine technical know-how with strong interpersonal skills, like empathy, communication, and problem-solving, will thrive in this new fast food landscape. 2. Customer service representatives. Have you ever started a chat with a customer support bot and wondered, am I even talking to a human? Chances are, you are not. Customer service is being reshaped at lightning speed thanks to AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants. These systems can handle complaints, answer questions, and provide technical support 24/7, freeing companies from relying on human representatives for routine interactions. Natural language processing allows AI to detect subtle nuances in customer requests, creating conversations that feel human-like and personalized. According to the British Standards Institution, 31% of businesses now evaluate AI solutions before hiring staff, and 25% believe most entry-level customer service tasks can be automated. AI doesn't just respond to inquiries, it collects and analyzes data from every customer interaction, giving companies insights into behavior, satisfaction, and potential issues humans might miss. This allows firms to proactively solve problems and tailor experiences in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. However, AI is not perfect. Complex situations that require emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, or nuanced problem-solving still need human intervention. Human agents will be essential for escalated issues, empathy-driven communication, and relationship building. To stay relevant, customer service professionals must focus on AI supervision, data interpretation, conflict resolution, and cultivating meaningful client relationships. Training in AI-assisted platforms and workflow integration will also be crucial. Professionals who can bridge the gap between AI insights and human interaction, turning data into actionable, customer-focused strategies, will be highly sought after. In short, adaptability and continuous learning are now as important as traditional customer service skills. 3. Warehouse and material handling workers. Think robots in warehouses are just a sci-fi dream? Think again. Logistics and warehousing are being completely transformed by AI-powered automation. Robots can pick, pack, and transport items faster and more accurately than human workers, operating around the clock without breaks. Automated inventory management systems track stock levels in real time, predict demand, and reorder supplies automatically, reducing the need for human oversight. According to McKinsey Global Institute, AI could automate up to 30% of hours currently worked across the U.S. economy by 2030, with warehouse jobs among the most at risk. Autonomous vehicles and drones are increasingly used for internal transportation and last-mile delivery, further decreasing the need for manual labor. Human roles are shifting from performing repetitive tasks to overseeing these AI systems, performing maintenance, troubleshooting, and managing exceptions that technology cannot handle. Employees who can analyze data generated by AI to improve workflow efficiency, optimize storage space, and identify potential bottlenecks before they occur will be in high demand. The focus is now on strategic oversight and problem-solving, not repetitive manual work. Those who combine technical knowledge with leadership skills, coordinating AI-human collaboration will thrive, while those who ignore the trend risk being left behind. Continuous learning and adaptability are becoming the most valuable traits in logistics careers. 4. Data entry clerks. If your job involves repetitive typing or transferring data from one system to another, it may already be at risk. Data entry is one of the clearest examples of a role being overtaken by AI. Machine learning algorithms can process, validate, and input data faster than humans while drastically reducing errors. National university research indicates that around 30% of U.S. jobs could be automated by 2030, with data entry roles particularly vulnerable. AI can extract data from multiple sources, update complex databases, and even generate reports automatically. Businesses adopting these systems benefit from faster processing, lower labor costs, and higher accuracy. Humans are still necessary for tasks requiring judgment, data interpretation, and exception handling, but even these roles are evolving. Workers can transition to positions in data analytics, AI supervision, or process improvement, leveraging their knowledge to oversee automated outputs. Learning how to clean, validate, and integrate data for AI systems is becoming a critical skill. Employees must also monitor AI workflows for errors, optimize automated processes, and provide context-based analysis that machines cannot replicate independently. Strong communication skills to explain AI-generated insights to stakeholders are increasingly valuable. Essentially, the role is shifting from repetitive input to strategic oversight, demanding continuous learning and adaptability. Moreover, understanding cybersecurity risks associated with AI-managed data and ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations will become vital. Professionals who can combine technical skills with strategic thinking will remain indispensable as businesses increasingly rely on AI for decision-making. 5. Telemarketers. Do you dread receiving telemarketing calls? You might actually be in luck because AI is taking over telemarketing, and it's doing it faster and smarter than humans. Automated systems can make thousands of outbound calls simultaneously, interact with customers, and adapt tone and phrasing based on real-time responses. AI algorithms can analyze customer profiles, predict purchasing behavior, and optimize scripts to maximize engagement. According to the British Standards Institution, 39% of businesses have already cut entry-level telemarketing roles due to automation. While human agents are still needed for complex negotiations or situations requiring empathy, most routine calls are now handled by AI. Professionals in this field need to pivot toward roles in AI supervision, sales strategy, and client relationship management, combining technical proficiency with human skills like persuasion and emotional intelligence. Telemarketers who learn AI analytics can optimize campaigns, identify high-value customer segments, and refine messaging using AI-driven insights. Relationship building, empathy, and creative problem-solving will separate human agents from automated systems. Staying updated with emerging AI communication tools and ethical considerations in outreach is also essential. The key is to work with AI, not against it, turning automation into an opportunity rather than a threat. Furthermore, understanding cross-channel AI integration, linking calls with emails, chatbots, and social media, will allow professionals to design seamless customer experiences that machines alone cannot achieve. Those who can blend technological expertise with authentic human connection will be the leaders in the next generation of sales and marketing. AI is reshaping industries across the board, from fast food to telemarketing. Some roles will inevitably become obsolete, but new opportunities are emerging. Roles that require creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving skills humans excel at. Preparing for the AI-driven future means continuous learning, upskilling, and embracing technology as a tool to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. The question is, are you ready to adapt and thrive in this AI-powered world? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these jobs do you think will disappear first? Let's explore the future of work together.